In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Trae, Cursor, and Windsurf. Let's dive in. First, we have Trae. If you're looking for a simple yet effective productivity tool, Trae could be the answer. It's an easy-to-use app that helps you stay organized with task management, scheduling, and reminders. It's great for anyone who wants to keep their day structured, whether it's for work, school, or personal projects. That was a big one. What's really nice about Trae is its minimalistic design, which means no distractions. You can create to-do lists, set deadlines, and prioritize your tasks, all in one place. It's perfect if you need to manage your day-to-day responsibilities without feeling overwhelmed. Take a breath. If you're someone who loves keeping track of your goals and progress, you'll definitely appreciate how Trae lets you visualize your productivity in a simple way. Next up, let's talk about Cursor. If you're someone who spends a lot of time browsing the internet, Cursor can really change the game. It's designed for people who want a better way to organize their online research, bookmarks, and browsing habits. One of its best features is its smart search capability. Cursor saves your history, allowing you to come back to it later. Let that sink in. It also lets you categorize your bookmarks, so whether you're planning a trip or working on a project, you can keep everything neatly organized. Another cool feature is the ability to sync across devices, meaning you can access your organized data from anywhere, which is a big plus for those who work across multiple devices. Exciting, right? Whether you're a student trying to organize research or a traveler saving cool destinations, Cursor makes your web experience a lot smoother. Lastly, let's talk about Windsurf. Now, if you love outdoor activities, whether it's hiking, surfing, or even biking, Windsurf is designed to help you track and plan your adventures. The app is packed with tools to log your progress, find new spots, and even share your experiences with a community of outdoor enthusiasts. Imagine the possibilities. One feature I really like is its ability to recommend places based on your location and interests. So, if you're looking for new places to explore, you can easily discover hidden gems nearby. Whether you're tracking your fitness goals, looking for inspiration, or simply trying to connect with others who share the same passion, Windsurf has you covered. That's awesome. It's not just an app, it's like a personal outdoor assistant. Plus, it keeps you motivated by showing your achievements and progress over time. Feel the motivation. So in conclusion, if you're all about staying organized and productive, Trae's your go-to. If you want a smarter, more organized browsing experience, Cursor's got your back. And for those of you who are always looking for your next outdoor adventure, Windsurf is the perfect companion. Ready for adventure? Let me know in the comments which platform you use or are planning to try. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.